Mr. C111.
Hello guys, today I will be doing
He's making a video
some
too,
Wolf
so.
Online right today.
He's making a Wolf Online video, guys.
So
I'm horrible at this game. I'm just looking at Alex and Casey.
yeah, it's in for Android guys. Did you get to this wolf? Nope. I'm typing, guys. Don't need to look.
Ah! Target.
Sorry guys, it's just that I'm saying something.
Me and Macho are both
Okay, so I hope everybody in the game says hi to YouTube because I am recording for YouTube.
guys, Macho's recording for YouTube. A Wolf Online video, which I will get to that. Maybe another time.
Oops, that's not the person that I wanted. Quick, get away.
And guys, we kind of like don't have a schedule for these videos, so yeah, I'm gonna have a schedule.
And here are all my stats if you want to know if you play Wolf Online. I'm not very good because I just kept that code. It was not good. And then I got positive points. And then I got negatives. And then I got positive points again.
No,
That's my
the
history
blue guy.
of Wolf. Cool. This is what I want to kill.
You can't see it.
Okay, now you can see it, guys. Sorry, I just have to put down my phone for a bit, for 1 second, so I can change the position. Let me see my honor.
Pause
I
it.
do keep
Pause the video.
spawning.
Got to pause the video.
No, I don't have to pause it. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go to a different area. Let's go to state first. Sorry, my finger's getting in the way, but it's just.
That's how you need a screwdriver.
Now let's go to Dragon Lava. Here we go. That's my honor's almost 200, but still, once my honor gets to 200, I'll up my stats to 200.
I'm hard like this.
All my other wolf stats are 200.
I'm gonna end the video here, guys. See you next time. Peace.
I'm not ending it. I'm just gonna finish the video. Don't ruin it for me, Mr. Service. I'm trying to record a video here, and you was trying to. Yes, 200 on it. Once I get to 200, we're on our way. Now let's go to speeded you, you might kill me. So I usually see hackers. So let's go. I saw a hacker today. He was a mountain and I was a mountain, so I changed
Is that what I do? Probably, yeah. Watson, is there a dot in between that? I know. Or no? Let me see if there. Oh, sorry, guys. Wait.
Say hi to YouTube, everybody. Say hi to YouTube. To YouTube. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Sorry, guys. YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, everybody. Really? I'm recording. Don't do it while I'm recording.
They don't know it.
I just told them.
It's gonna happen, so.
After I kill this while, I'm gonna end the video, guys. Because it's 6 minutes. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching this little video of Wolf Online, and make sure to please leave a like like I said in the other videos, make sure to check out the other Max's channel.
Max Provenzano.
Go check the other videos for